Welcome to our Spring Quarter Tech Bootcamp Demo Day. 6 student teams present to have 10 minutes after that to ask questions. The 4 judges today are Beth, interim CIO at JPL. She's a UCLA alum. Ami Koje from Mattel, Director of Software Engineering. Kelly Hamilton, CIO of Sony Pictures. Leah Erickson, City of Long Beach. The first team that will present is Team
Rosetta Health. Allow me to introduce our wonderful team.
This is a bridge between the two of you by providing easy to understand information that can answer your most basic questions.
Have you thought about how Rosetta Health would help deter people from self-diagnosis?
What concrete steps are you planning to take to protect that data?
What process or mechanisms are you using to translate the medical terminology?
Introduce you to ProCap, a language we're really passionate about.
ProCap focuses on learning language in the context of daily life and culture.
How you came up with the name ProCap.
They actually get the language expertise to make sure that the games are set up properly.
How you would verify that I understand how to say the word.
What features or capabilities could you imagine including that would help them kind of get that first start?
Is called Hyrus, named after the Greek god of employment. Book team, Lucian, Kia, and Betty, and our business team, Manny, Jason, and myself. We are a recruitment site, an all-inclusive and centralized job form, board, and mentorship program.
What is the basis for your assumption of getting that level of growth in a single year?
You differentiate from a service like LinkedIn.
Is this a mobile-friendly app?
It's known as Ubuntu. To introduce our team, all come from different backgrounds, an opportunity for inmate mentorship through a hybrid system of non-digital and digital technology.
How have you thought about the privacy component of this?
Guidelines or training for potential mentors.
This product ecosystem. A little bit about team.
An active end-to-end platform with all information about UCLA sustainability clubs in one place.
That the clubs are actually legitimate clubs.
Good distinction. I was assuming this was only for students.
Dealing with account lifecycle management.
So welcome to UXia, where we reach my team and our position platform for students and educator collaboration. These can strengthen their reading skills in a fun and effective way.
Think you're anticipating building into the app in some way?
Can you talk about your age groups?
How do you link the accounts?
What's the user flow when you go through the app?
The winning team is Ubuntu. I'm going to get a tour of JPL.
Full story of one of your team members, but it was super engaging.
I was nowhere near that impressive when I was that age.
Super impressed by all 6 teams and how prepared everyone was.
An amazing evening.
Extremely impressed by the work from every single of the teams here.